Our top story on Climate Tracker. India's average temperature has risen by around 0.7 degrees Celsius during 1901 to 2018. This temperature rise is caused by greenhouse gases-induced warming leading to climate change. As per the United Nations, India was the 7th most affected country due to climate change-led extreme weather events in 2019, both in terms of fatalities and economic losses. Extreme weather events due to climate change have led to 17 out of 20 people in India being vulnerable to disasters like floods, droughts and cyclones. Let's take a look at the 5 biggest environmental issues in India. One of the most pressing environmental issues in India is air pollution. According to the 2021 World Air Quality Report, India is home to 63 of the 100 most polluted cities, with New Delhi named the capital with the worst air quality in the world. The study found that PM 2.5 concentrations in 48% of the country's cities are more than 10 times higher than the 2021 WHO air quality guideline level. India is the world's 3rd largest emitter of carbon dioxide, despite low per capita emissions. About 70% of surface water resources in India are polluted. Every day, almost 40 million litres of wastewater enters rivers and other water bodies, with only a tiny fraction adequately treated. A World Bank report suggests that in middle-income countries like India, water pollution can account for the loss of up to half of GDP growth. Now, third on the list is food and water shortages. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, India is the country expected to pay the highest price for the impact of the climate crisis. Earth.org, an environmental data platform, says that there is no doubt among experts that unprecedented heat waves are a direct manifestation of climate change. March 2022 marked the hottest and the driest month recorded in 120 years. India's northwest regions have been dealing with a prolonged wave of scorching and record-breaking heat. Now, next on the list is waste management. As per reports, experts estimate that by 2030, municipal solid waste is likely to reach 387.8 million tons and will more than double the current value by 2050. India's rapid urbanization makes waste management extremely challenging. Currently, about 5% of the total collected waste is reportedly recycled, 18% is composted, and the remaining is dumped at landfill sites. Last but not the least, biodiversity loss. India has 4 major biodiversity hotspots: Himalayas, Western Ghats, Sunderland and Indo-Burma region. These are regions with significant levels of animal and plant species that are threatened by human habitation. More than 1,000 animal species in India are currently monitored by the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. As per WWF and the Zoological Society of London, freshwater biodiversity in India has experienced an 84% decline. Since the start of this century, India has lost 19% of its total tree cover.